When it comes to signing up for credit repair with a company, don't fall for they got a nice car, they got a nice house, they got a bunch of money, they got a big Instagram following, big YouTube following, big Facebook following. None of that means anything. They could have a Trustpilot, they could have a Google account, they could have whatever. None of that means anything if they're not showing what I'm showing on the screen in this video, because all they have to do is pay for people to advertise their services. That's how some of these companies are scamming consumers. Not saying everybody scams consumers, but it's one of the many ways they know they can get away with scamming you, because you flash a nice car, you flash a nice house, you got money, you got a huge following on social media, you got a Google business account, you're on Yelp, you're on Trustpilot, somebody's writing fake blogs about you. If you got the money to pay for that stuff, it can really trick you and confuse you on who you should go with. But again, if they're not showing results like we do, why would you sign up with them? I mean, seriously, why would you sign up? All that talk means nothing if you're not showing results. So when looking for a credit repair company, make sure they can show you results that they've gotten for their clients in the past. And when I mean in the past, I mean within the last 3 to 6 months, not 4 to 5 years ago. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.